exterior presentation. Inside, the refined, sporty, minimalist design of the Alpine A110 provides a very welcoming and comfortable atmosphere. Everything has been done to also optimize the weight. So the stripped-down aviation-style center console weighs a mere 2.6 kilos. This result has been achieved by applying novel solutions. For example, the gearbox and handbrake controls have done away with conventional mechanical linkages. For optimum passenger comfort, the highly ergonomic one-piece bucket seats, developed by Italian company Sabelt, are mounted on hollow metal frames that allow substantial weight savings with no compromise on comfort. Directly below the driver's eye level, we find a fully digital instrument panel that ensures optimum readability. The driver's hands just drop into the ideally located, flat, compact steering wheel equipped with magnesium gearbox control paddles. The key feature of the cockpit is the 7-inch touchscreen sitting proudly atop the dashboard to provide all the necessary information.